Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you trying to find a particular directory only to realize you accidentally deleted the person from your contact list? Don't worry, deleted contacts can be easily recovered. In this video, you will learn 2 different ways to restore contacts that have been deleted from your iPhone. Let's go. By default, your contact list is automatically archived if you have enabled its services to sync with your iCloud account. Eventually, these archive files become a restore point in case you need to recover deleted data from a specific date range. To get started, open your browser, visit iCloud.com, and sign in with your Apple ID. Once the main dashboard loads, click the Quick Access menu in the top right corner and go to the Data Recovery window. Then open the Restore Contacts tile. Each version is marked with the specific date and time at which it was archived. Select the restore point you need and click the Restore button next to the specific archive version. Please note that when you restore to an existing archive of your contacts, it will replace the current data on all your devices. A new archive file will then be created for the current data. While having a backup in iCloud or on your computer is an advantage, the downside is that you have to completely reset your device to restore the data you need. If you're looking for a way to selectively restore your phone records without affecting the rest of your data, you definitely need a specialized tool. For this, I recommend iMyPhone DBack. Click on the tag in the upper right corner for your reference. The download link is also provided in the description box below. DBack is a tool specifically designed to allow you to recover a variety of file types, including deleted photos and videos, WhatsApp attachments, messages, and many others, even without a backup. This software is available both on Windows and Mac. Choose the appropriate OS before clicking the download button to try it out. Although the software has a paid version, scanning your iPhone for recoverable data is completely free, so you can check if the data you need is still on your iPhone without paying for the software yet. Upon downloading, follow the on-screen instructions to install DBack on your computer. After installation, connect your iPhone to your computer using an original or MFI certified cable. On your iPhone, enter your device passcode when prompted and click Trust to confirm the connection. From the DBack dashboard, choose iPhone Recovery from the top menu and click Next to proceed. As you can see, DBack offers different data types that you can recover from your iPhone. But for now, let's stick to the Messages and Call Log section. Next, make sure that Select All is unchecked. Otherwise, the program will take longer to scan, especially if you have a lot of data on your device. Click Contacts from the menu if you want to retrieve all deleted directories from your contact list. After selecting the app from which you want to recover data, click the Scan button and confirm by entering your device passcode. During the scan, the program may ask you to re-enter your device passcode several times, so be sure to keep your iPhone connected and unlocked, and enter the passcode as needed. Once the process is complete, DBack automatically provides a preview window showing all the recovered data. To view all of the retrieved directories from your iPhone, go to the Contacts menu in the sidebar panel. Then select each contact information you want to restore. When everything you need is selected, click either Restore to Device to restore the data directly to your iPhone, or click Recover to Computer to export the recovered data to an external file. As I've mentioned earlier, the DBack free trial is limited to scanning your data. To proceed with the recovery, a subscription is required. After selecting your preferred restore location, click the Next button to continue. If Find My is currently activated on your device, you will be prompted to turn it off. Open Settings. Tap your name above and go to the Find My configuration page. Proceed to Find My iPhone, toggle it off, and enter your Apple ID password to confirm your changes. Then follow the additional on-screen instructions from DBack to complete the recovery process. When finished, your selected data should be restored to your device or computer, depending on which mode you selected earlier. If the process is unsuccessful, this indicates that your files have been deleted permanently, making any recovery attempts impossible at this point. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.